Hi, this is Enchantment with Angel. Are you tired of having the same old chicken and mutton recipe? Well, it's time to try out an enchanting and exotic rabbit pepper fry recipe. Let's get started. You will need 1 kg of rabbit, to which you will add 5 dry red chillies and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and some salt. Mix everything well. And once done, add a cup of water. Pressure cook this for about 30 minutes or till the meat is tender. Cook this on a medium heat. Once the pressure is released, carefully open the pressure cooker and see if there are any water left. Add a handful of curry leaves and cook on a medium flame till all the water is evaporated. And once there's no water left, add a half teaspoon of pepper powder. Give a gentle mix and enjoy. Do try out this simple but very tasty rabbit pepper fry recipe. And until we meet again, bye, happy cooking!